Some days aren't about proving anything. They're about getting away. Early lines, quiet water, no rush, no crowd. Just a plan and a boat that does exactly what it's supposed to do. The new tower changes the view, not for show, for sightlines, for control, for seeing what others miss. This is inshore fishing without the noise. Light, capable, confident. Room to move. Stability when it counts, and the freedom to fish your way. The 210 Coastal with the all-new Cobia tower. Built for days like this. Parker Boats.